Fun facts about Slovenia, let's go. Slovenia is one of the greenest countries in Europe, over 60% is covered by forests. You can go from the Alps to the Mediterranean in just over an hour's drive. Slovenia has more than 10,000 caves, and Postojna and Skočen are world famous. The symbol of Ljubljana is a dragon, you'll spot it on the Dragon Bridge, and even in the city's coat of arms. Slovenians love hiking, and many say you're not a real Slovene until you climb Triglav, the highest mountain. Slovenia is also a paradise for wine lovers, with 3 wine regions and even unique orange wines. Podravje in the northeast, Posavje in the southeast, and the Primorska region by the coast. And yes, we even have unique orange wines. For more about Slovenia, the Slovenian language and culture, follow the channel, hit like, and join our Facebook group Slovenian Language Learning Group.